Okay, so here I have Costco pork chops. There's a total of 8 in here, and I have them, or had them marinating in a Hawaiian sauce with some onion and a bunch of spices like paprika, cayenne, garlic, salt, pepper. That's pretty much it, but I'm going to stick it in the oven for about an hour and 50 minutes on the temperature of 415. Okay, so I sprayed the inside of my pan with this spray can, put on the oil, and right now I'm going to put some foil on it to keep it covered for the hour and a half. I'll be right back since I can't do the foil with one hand, so give me 1 second, okay? Okay, so the foil is on, and I have it in the oven, and it's at 415 degrees, and I have it at an hour and 47 minutes. I will be making this with some white rice and some cabbage kind of coleslaw. I will show you that once I come back. Now we're at 19 minutes left in here, and I'm coming back to check it. So let's bring it out. Let's go ahead and uncover. You guys gotta be very careful. Steaming is really hot. But you know, that's how it is when you're working with one hand. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Let's go ahead and Okay, so now we're just going to flip them so they're cooking on all sides, and we're going to leave it uncovered now. And then I'm going to add a can of cut up pineapple, okay? Since it's Hawaiian. Okay, so now that that's done, okay, so I'm going to save the pineapple juice out of here, but not all of it. I'm going to leave some in there. Okay, so this is the can that I am using, and it is a 20-ounce can, okay? And they're the chopped ones. Now we're going to go ahead and take it and place it into the oven. And we're going to go ahead and let it leave like one pineapple on each one. See how it turns out. Okay, so I'm going to leave it uncovered now, and I'm going to cook it for the rest of the either 15 minutes, but I might add it, let's see, probably for another half hour. Okay, so it's going to be 45 more minutes. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and pull out the pork meat. You see that? We're just going to do one more flip. So that the bottoms can crisp up a little bit more. And that has actually 3 more minutes, so we're going to okay. So now I'm going to stick her back in the oven for the rest of the 3 minutes. Okay, so we're back. Let's pull it out of the oven. So there she is. She's all set. Let's go ahead and, so it's ready. Okay, as you guys can see, not holding things, just there you go. So this is how I make my Hawaiian pork chops with some pineapple, Hawaiian hints seasoning. I will show you the finished plate when I'm done. Okay, be right back. Okay, so now here's my plate. Has my white rice, my coleslaw. Now we're going to add the pork. Okay. Some of the sauce here and drizzle it over with some of the pineapple. And there you have it. So that is my rice, my coleslaw, and my meat. Hope you guys like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Thanks. Have a good day.